Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this pink and brown eye makeup look using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. It looks really quick and easy to recreate and it's perfect for a night out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. To start out, I'm just going to be taking the colour Shy on a Sephora Airbrush crease brush, and I'm just going to be blending that backwards and forwards into my crease. We're going to be using this shade as our transition colour. Next up, I'm just going to be taking the colour Angelic on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to be packing that onto the lid. Next up, using a MAC 217 brush, I'm just taking the colour Man Eater, and I'm just going to be blending that into my outer V and crease area. To deepen up the outer V, I'm just going in with the colour Cocoa on that same MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to be blending that into the outer V and very lightly into the crease area. Going back in again with that same Sephora Airbrush crease brush, I'm just making sure that everything's really well blended. And now I'm just going to be going back in again with that colour Cocoa, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer V. The key to a really amazing eyeshadow look is to just blend, so just keep on blending until everything looks really smooth and seamless. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm just going in with that colour Moon Dust on a Zoeva smudger brush and just placing that on the brow bone and the inner corners of the eyes. To balance out the eyes, I'm just going to be taking the colours Shy and Cocoa on an Artiste rounded smudge brush, and I'm just going to be blending that onto the lower lash line. To line my eyes, I'm just going to be going in with the Maybelline Masterprecise liquid liner. And again, just blending, blending, blending until I'm happy with how everything looks. My camera decided to turn itself off after this, but I just went on to finish the look by adding some mascara and fake eyelashes. So this is the finished makeup look. If you liked this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!